Hello everyone, hope we're having an amazing day. So I have a quick one here that I want to quickly explain. There were some couple of trades I took in just this one chart, so I feel a need to quickly explain it because I didn't make the video at that moment. So I've labeled all the trades we took, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'll be explaining everything briefly because it's a whole lot to unpack in this chart. So the first thing here is this first trade is actually a QM trade, and we have this ABC to the downside and this push to the upside. So we'll mark the QM area, and I was expecting price to come back. You understand? We'll just take the trade around this place. So we went to lower time frame to check for we had this M3 confirmation, and after that confirmation, so I went to the lower time frame. I found an S30 confirmation, then an S15 confirmation. This big one was the S30 confirmation, and this small one was the S15 confirmation. So I was thinking, okay, fine, if price comes back here, we're going to take this trade. And so immediately price came into this S15 confirmation. I took the trade right in the middle here, but for some reason the market just decided to make a very strong exhaustion candle, and the market just blew past our entry and closed down here. Now I was very shocked, but at the same time I knew that I had to look to the next, especially immediately I saw this gap down in the next on the next candle. I was like, this might be a very good opportunity. So I saw this market push to the downside, and I know that this area has a lot of rejection. So I waited for price to come down here. I took this trade right immediately. I took this trade. The price just started pushing to the upside. But the reason why I actually took this trade was because now we are in a QM area, and we're in a QM buy area actually, and we have a gap down, which means the buyers can come in also. You understand? And also we know that exhaustion candles are sign of reversal. So I know that there's a possible reversal that may have happened here, but the fact that we have that gap down actually solidifies it. Plus we are in a QM buy area. You understand? We have all these rejections, so that's why I took the trade, and luckily enough, we're able to win the trade, and that was our first and second trade. So let me quickly explain the remaining, because over here, the reason why I was waiting in the market, I was actually waiting for this point of decision. Let me show you the big picture. This is a big picture here. Okay, I think let me see. Okay, there's a bigger picture. It is a big picture. Now down here we have an area where the market has rejected, and this momentum from the upside just blew past all that support area. So immediately that support was broken, I knew that we will have a point of decision trade. So I went to the lower time frame and I found this very good entry. So I was expecting, okay, fine, if price comes into this area, we're going to take the trade. So, but for some reason, when the price came from this QM area, it just started making this very strong momentum, and the momentum was so strong, like it just kept going and just went right into this point of decision area where we are meant to take our entry. Normally I would have immediately entered, I would have taken the trade right at the entrance of the entry here, but for some reason, because of the way market has reacted here initially, I was like, no, we are not taking this trade. You understand? So the market just push and push up to this point. I was like, no, I'm not going to take this trade. And in the last 10 seconds, the market just pulled back and closed right here. Yeah, for some time I was like, I could have taken the trade, but later I thought about it. This is a momentum, and it's very strong one at that. And even this one that was not a momentum initially, look at what happened here. So you are better off not taking this trade. You understand? So this is a missed opportunity. I didn't take it, but I'm glad I didn't take it still. Then after some minutes, I looked back into the chart and I was able to find this amazing evening star. You can look at it. There's an evening star pattern here, and most of us know that evening star patterns are, and they can retrace. Evening star patterns have a very high tendency of giving us a retracement. So immediately the price closed here and gave us a gap down. I was more inclined to like jump in, but I was not going to jump in because this gap down is huge. You understand? I knew, okay, fine, we have a gap down, we may be expecting the buyers to come in, but I was pondering about it. It took me like between 5 to like 12 seconds to ponder for other reasons why I should take this trade. So immediately it came down. You understand? The market just stood at the entrance for a while, like at the opening amount for a while. It didn't move up, didn't move down. Then later it started coming down little by little. I was like, is the market trying to play games? But then I remembered that we're actually in an uptrend because of this push to the upside. You understand? So there's every tendency that the strong buyers are still in the market. You understand? Then I remember that, okay, this gap up, we're in an uptrend. It's very strong push to the upside. So we have buyers presence in this market. Also, we have a market sequence here. I know I didn't mention it in the post, but we have a market sequence of when we have red candle, then we have green, another red, we have green, we have another red, so we may have another green. You understand? Plus, confirmed with the fact that we have this gap down. So like, okay, let's give it a shot. You understand? Then when I looked down again, I realized. So in the last the last 5 seconds of making that decision, I remember that we have this double bottom. So I remember that anytime you have a double bottom, the buyers are always very aggressive. You understand? So I was like, you know what? Let's just take it. We have the gap down already, and immediately I took it. The price just started going up, and did not come back down until it closed right here. So that's how we won the third trade. The fourth trade rather. I consider this as a trade too. Either you take it anytime you make a decision either to take a trade or not to take it, you've traded actually. So we have 4 good opportunities. You understand? We took three good trades. We have 1 loss. We have 1 break even because we didn't take the trade, and we have 2 wins. So I'll call it a win in my book. So yes, a quick one also. Now I want to quickly tell you about the Barter-Pro mentorship. If you want to enroll in the Barter-Pro mentorship, kindly join the Telegram channel and send me a DM. Then we can give you an arrangement of what kind of tutorial now be the best. It's actually a mentorship, it's not a tutorial basically. So in the mentorship, probably I'll talk about it in details in the next video, but I just want to make an announcement for the mentorship. So join the Telegram channel if possible. Guys, give me a like. I would really appreciate a like, and subscribe to the channel because I will be posting more of this kind of content. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.